Welcome to Curtains and Blinds Direct UK Limited, the specialist in designer curtain makers.
We offer a choice of a wide range of modern and stylish designer curtains at an affordable price.
Our designer curtains are custom made just to suit your home
and perfect for a stylish and unique makeover. Our vast collection of modern and contemporary looking designer curtains are ideal for use as bay window curtains,
bedroom curtains,
living room curtains,
and dining room curtains, or for as many uses as you can imagine.
One of the easiest ways to soften the appearance and overall feel of your home is with beautiful designer curtains.
This reduces the harsh look of each room, prevents heat from escaping in the cold winter months,
and can give your home a cozy, welcoming appearance from the outside. Our stylish designer curtains, fully lined with tie bags, are produced from quality fabrics including polyester, faux suede, faux silk, waffle, printed and embroidered fabrics.
Floral designs can offer something different. They give your decor a designer factor.
Our striking made-to-measure designer curtains featured in leadinginteriors.com are available in various sizes and colors, and are produced from an array of modern and contemporary-looking quality fabrics.
Our modern and versatile designer curtains and balances, coming in a range of patterned and plain fabrics, will instantly add a cool and tranquil feel to your living space. At Curtains and Blinds Direct UK, we have each designer curtain available in different striking colorways and lengths.
They offer excellent value for your money. Having such a wide range of designer curtains, we are sure you will find the type of curtain that you are looking for.
Contemporary and modern designer curtains from Leading Interiors will look stunning in any modern setting, to add a touch of color or to coordinate with an existing room theme. Custom-made designer curtains, just for your requirements.
Come to Curtains and Blinds Direct UK to transform a simple window into a stylish focal point with our modern designer curtains.
You can visit our online shop leadinginteriors.com for your home interior solutions. Also, our Leading Interiors interior designers are always happy to make a no-obligation home visit and give you a quotation to suit your requirements.
They will also be pleased to advise and guide you on the most modern and stylish trends in interior decoration.
Happy shopping at
leadinginteriors.com.